Hello once again. This is Inspiration Kolot. Welcome to my page, Inspiration Kolot. If you are new to my page, please follow, comment, and share because every time I'll upload new videos, inspirational videos, tutorial, travel, and any random videos, you will be updated and be notified. And thank you to the rightful owner or author of this very good article that I want to share with you. Very, this is about the best, the 10 best powerful money advice. Number one, don't buy an expensive phone. A new version will come out even before you have finished paying for it. Totoo, ang daming cellphone mo. Sa akin, sira na memory full na. Need talaga natin mga vlogger na magandang phone, malaki, large ang kaniyang memory. So, number two, don't buy an expensive bag. Replicas are scattered everywhere. Only a trained eye will see that's genuine. Ang bag, daming bag, pero anong laman yan? May laman ba yan? Walang cash yan kasi uso na ngayon ang ATM. Number 3, don't buy expensive shoes. You can't walk like a duck trying to keep it from deforming with every use. Like a duck, you can do. Number 4, don't buy expensive clothing. You can't walk around showing the small tag behind your neck para kang walking store ng mga clothing pag may bakit ipakita ba natin yung makita ba yung tag kung anong brand ng damit mo. Number 5, don't buy an expensive watch. A 100 peso vintage watch online looks good too, and all kinds will tell the same time. Pare-pareho lang mga orasan. Hindi yan mag-advance ng oras. Pare-pareho lang yan. Di ba? Pareho tayo ng oras. Number 6, don't buy expensive undergarments. It's not allowed to walk in public wearing only a Victoria's Secret bra and panties. Ang mahal-mahal siguro ng Victoria's Secret, no? Hindi ko alam yan. Hindi ka naman mag-walk, lakad-lakad sa public na nakabra, nakapanty lang unless may ganon ka na dito, oh. Nakabra ka, nakapanty. Ganon ka, sikat ka. Bawal yan. Number 7, don't buy expensive car. It depreciates with every kilometer it runs. Your 1.2 million SUV will sell for only 500,000. Ma-depreciate yung car. Don't buy a used house. Too much space between family members. They will grow old and live anyway. Yung malaking bahay, para kayong mag-hide and seek. Parang di na kayo magkita-kita kung malaki ang bahay ng family members mo. At kung sila lumalaki na, magkanya-kanya ng pamilya, gagawa din silang bahay. Aalis siya sa malaking bahay mo. Remember that. Remember. Number 9, always settle for the justified price. You can do more with 2 for the price of 1. Buy 1, take 2. Dami dyan. Just settle for the justified price. Alam mo na yan, be wise. Number 10, remember that it's not the brand that carries you. It's how you carry the brand. Kahit na kahit na maganda ka nga, at lalo kang gaganda kung branded yung suot mo. Pero kahit na hindi branded, kung maganda ka, do you know how to carry the brand? Lalo ka nang gumaganda. Pero nag-branded ang damit mo, gamit mo, pero dugyot ang mukha mo katulad sa akin. Pero yung mukha mo parang hindi, parang pulubi, parang hindi nila alam na mahalin yung damit mo, 'di ba? 'Di ba totoo 'yan, totoo 'yan. Yung mga kutis personal na kahit na ano, maganda silang the way how they carry the brand. Grow old. Guys, learn how to save and invest. Guys, this 10 best powerful money advice is only applicable to us, the average per people, low income, average income, like me, like you. Oh no, maybe you are rich, because the rich people can afford, the millionaires, the billionaires, how they will use the money to satisfy themselves, even though we know that time will come they will no longer use it. Aanhin ba yung malaking bahay mo kung hindi ka makapapasok ng mga dugyot, ng mga pulubi, mga mabaho? What's the use kung hindi ka maka-accommodate sa mga katulad namin, hindi ka, baka mayaman ka, aanhin pa yung malaking bahay kung ang nakatira daw mga kuwago. Ano ba yan? Mas maganda yung maganda yung puso, bang galing sa puso. So, aanhin pa yung luxury car mo pero hindi ka makapa free ride sa mga tao diyang naglakad-lakad lang, lalo na yung mga mababaho, baka mabahuan yung luxury car mo. Yung bag mo, may laman pa kaya yan? Uso na itim. Yung shoes na magandang shoes mo, matiplak, maano ka, may slide ka diyan, maano ka, matiplak mo, what's the use? This is useless. It's the cause of your injury. And your watch, what's the use of your millions watch pero palagi ka namang late? Anyway, money cannot buy happiness, but money can buy the things that you need and you want. Kung may extra money ka dyan, pamimigay mo, ipabahagi mo sa mga tao na walang pera. Marami na kayo na nagutom, marami kayo na katulad ko, isa akong vlogger pero yung cellphone ko nagkahirap-hirap ako. Ilang attempt ko na ito kasi na memory full ako. I need really number one, don't buy expensive phone. No, we vloggers, we need expensive phone, or not really expensive, but we need large memory. Kasi katulad ko, palagi akong naglag yung kasi 10 years na itong cellphone ko. I really need it. And thank you. This is Inspiration Kulot. I hope that naka-inspire na naman ako na